Welcome to another video on the Windows Computer and Technology channel on Secure Boot, and this video is how to turn on Secure Boot if you have it turned off. In the previous video I showed you how to check if it's on, and of course this is optional. If you don't feel like it's something you are comfortable with, don't touch anything, don't do anything. But if you do want to turn on Secure Boot, first option is, of course, to restart your PC by holding the key, the Shift key on the left side of your keyboard. So what you do, you press on the Shift key and you hold it. You hold it. You click Restart and you continue holding it until your PC has started to restart, that you see like the boot screen. And this is going to bring you into this option, which is a recovery mode. Basically, you have different options here that can help you, by the way, recover your PC if there's something wrong. You will choose Troubleshoot. Troubleshoot is the option you want to use. And then you continue on to the next option, which is Advanced Option. This is what you want to choose, Advanced Options. In the advanced options, you will have UEFI firmware settings. This is what you will want to choose, UEFI firmware settings. And this is going to bring you to the UEFI BIOS of your own PC. So you'll click the restart button. Now, the screen I'm going to show you is very generic. It is one out of a million different screens you can have. This is the one from this PC, and it looks like this. Some are way more advanced. Some are very different. My gaming laptop's main BIOS, UEFI BIOS, is extremely different from this. It's totally another world. But the basics of it is that you want to search for the section that has to deal with security in that BIOS. In that section of security, you will have a part of it that will be called Secure Boot. Once you choose Secure Boot, you will be on something that will want you to change the options of Secure Boot. Once again, this is very generic. A lot of you will see it like this. A lot of you will see something totally different. It depends on the machine. There's no, one image I can show you that shows it all, but it all works in the same way. So here it says enabled. Mine was actually, before I started the series of video, disabled. So I enabled it, but it was grayed out. I couldn't. Why? Because the system mode was not in user mode. It was in a different mode, like custom or something like that. And so I had to change some options to make sure that I could actually enable Secure Boot. And then here, Secure Boot Mode Custom is what I believe I've changed to have this possibility. But when I did that, it also said, oh, you got to restore factory keys, because if your Secure Boot was off, there's no keys that were created since Secure Boot was not used. So you will have to actually restore the factory keys, which are in the system. So what is going to happen is you click the Restore Factory Keys. Be warned, it might actually, if you do that, it might actually tell you that it's going to reset some options within the BIOS. This is where, you got to be careful. And once that is done, well, you'll have an option to restart. So you'll basically go back into the options that the BIOS has, and one of them is save and exit. And there you'll exit, and your computer is going to restart. Once it restarts, this is where you'll have Secure Boot enabled on your system. So this is, in effect, a way to do it. Like I said, the UEFI BIOS screens, there are a million screens that are different. So the idea is just to remember you need to go to the security section of the BIOS and find Secure Boot and turn it on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.